crafters, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Altia, and in this video I will continue working on my daughter's first Holy Communion favors. If you have not yet watched part 1, I will link it down below. So let's continue working on these favors. These are two of my finished girls, and as for the hair, my daughter has curls, so that's why I did this version. But if you want something simple, you can just do some fringe over here and maybe a small curl on the side. But see what suits you and obviously to you. That's what's nice about these crochet projects. You can customize them accordingly to whatever is your liking. So let me show you how to do the hair. For the hair, I will start with a magic ring. And then I will single crochet 6 into the ring. I will pull the tail close, and we have created our circle. Now I will do an increase into each stitch, so I will do 6 increases. Always remember to mark your first stitch in order to know where your row finishes. Now I will single crochet into the first and increase into the second. Once that is done, I will move on to the next round, which is 2 single crochets and then an increase. So 1 single crochet into the first, another single crochet into the second, and then increase. And I will repeat this until my stitch marker. Next, I will single crochet into each stitch for 4 rounds. Once your 4 rounds of single crochets are done, we will work on the fringe, which is this part over here. I have this 1 and 2. One is smaller than the other. So in order to do that, I will single crochet into the first, half double crochet into the second, make a half double increase, which is 2 half double crochets into the same stitch, a single crochet and a slip stitch, and that creates one side. Now I will single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet increase, which is 2 double crochets into the same stitch, another double crochet increase, a double crochet, a half double crochet, a single crochet and a slip stitch. And like that we have created our fringe. Now here you can either do this tiny curl, I will show you how to do that. You will chain 6 and then you will single crochet twice into each chain. Slip stitch into the same stitch, and there you have your curl. Now you can either continue slip stitching all around to create a nice border to your head, or you can do the curls as we did here. These curls I basically chained around 50 chains and then working as I did for this tiny curl, 2 single crochets into each chain. So I will continue to slip stitch just to show you how you can close it off if you choose not to do the curls. So I'm back to my stitch marker. But before I move to the first single crochet, I will chain 6. And then single crochet twice into each chain. Slip stitch into the same stitch, turn a bit your curls to put them in shape, then slip stitch the rest of your bangs to create a nice edging. Once you're at the end, slip stitch, pull. And we have created the hair. It should be able to fit on our base doll. I recommend you leave a longer tail so you can sew the hair to the head using this tail. So that is done. And now I will move on to crocheting the hands. Now I will show you how to crochet the arms. So we will start off with a magic ring. And then single crochet 6 into the ring. Once you have 6 in your magic ring, pull the loop close. And we'll start crocheting in the round. So for the first round, I will single crochet into the first and increase into the second. I will also mark my first stitch. Once this round is done, you will single crochet all around for 2 rounds. Once your 2 rounds of single crochets are done, we will move on to the next round. The next round will be single crochet into the first 2, now I will make 2 invisible decreases. If you don't know what's an invisible decrease, it's basically going under the first loop, front loop, under the back loop of the second stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. And I will repeat that once again. And then single crochet the last 3. Once that is done, single crochet all around for 6 rounds in total. I will be back once I have my single crocheted rounds done.
I did not stuff the arm, but if you wish to stuff the arm, do so as you go along. Once your 6 rounds of single crochets are done, you just single crochet both ends together from one stitch to another and single crochet it close. Fasten off and leave a tail for sewing. And like this, you will need 2. And here we have a pair of arms. To crochet the sleeves, all you need to do is chain 5, I will single crochet into the second chain from the hook and single crochet the rest. Next, I will chain 3 and slip stitch into that same stitch. Next, I will chain 3. This time I will slip stitch into the second stitch. Chain 3, slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 3, and slip stitch into the next stitch. Fasten off and also leave a tail for sewing. And you will need to make 2 to have 2 sleeves.
That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when the final video is up. Here's a sneak peek of what's coming, so stay tuned and thanks for watching. Bye guys!